Hi everyone, I am Jason Christopher. Today, I will show you how to sell on rallies using my NIKL Asia trade. Diretsuhin na natin kailan ba tayo magsisell on rallies. Number 1, magsisell on rallies tayo if the market is bearish. Meaning, it creates a series of lower highs and lower lows. It makes sense because if ganito yung downtrending movement ng market, there is that tiny window for you to profit from that movement. And pag nakita mo ganyang movement, kailangan yung expectation mo is it will still continue its downtrend. Kasi nga, downtrending. Number 2, the sector is not in play. What this means is that pag nirank mo lahat ng mga sectors, yung stock na tinitrade mo, nasa lower levels ng rank na yan. In that case, since wala yung liquidity sa sector mo, kailangan mag-sell on rallies ka lang talaga. Now, let us take a look at my NIKL trade. So this is my NIKL Asia trade. I bought here 4.99 pesos, 750,000 shares. And then the next trading day, we added 150,000 shares for a total of 900,000 shares at an average price of 5.04 pesos. Hindi ko na i-discuss kung bakit ko nilaro ito, and if you want to know how I traded the bounce, just check my Ali trade here. Now, since of course our trade idea here is a bounce play, kailangan talaga mag-sell on rallies tayo dito. And again, number 1, kailangan tignan natin yung market condition. And as you can see dito sa ating trade na to, for July 18, 2022, for the past few months, downtrending talaga si PSEI, evident dito sa mga lower highs and lower lows. Next, the sector should not be in play. As you can see, meron tayong ranking dito, nasa third to the bottom yung mining natin for the past month. Meaning, saktong-sakto talaga itong NIKL trade natin for a sell on rallies after the bounce. So going back to our NIKL chart, dito, kitang-kita nyo, dito ako nagbenta at 5.60 pesos because the stock has already been up around 12% from the closing price last July 18. Siyempre, ayaw mo naman ibenta ng super maaga yung stock mo. Because, for example, nagbebenta ka around 1, 2, 3% lang, you are cutting your winners short. And then, of course, not only that, na nag-12% up na siya, meron ding mga levels na na-hit dito. No? So, we sold here 450,000 shares at 5.60. The next level we sold is around 6 pesos. Considering that it is already up by 20% no, from this closing price, dito nagbenta tayo nung nag-breakout siya sa 6 pesos. Nagbenta tayo ng around 250,000 shares. And then, the remaining 200,000 shares, dito tayo nagbenta at around 5.82. In total, yung average selling price natin at 5.76 or around 14.29%. And for the profits, we gained a total of 593,000 pesos in our NIKL Asia trade. Ito lang talaga yung main idea na gusto kong maintindihan nyo. You will not sell at the top. Kasi yung selling on rallies is not to maximize your profits, but to optimize your profits. Optimizing in a way that if you repeat your process in a series of trades, your profits will be decent. Kasi there are times that people are still holding on to their winners and then it goes back to their average price, natalo pa sila because they didn't sell on rallies. So again, hindi ka talaga makakabenta sa top and you need to accept that. And of course, huwag kang mag-sell on rallies if you are anticipating for the market to reverse. You will be missing out on a lot of profits. That's why ako, when I bought SECB at around 81 pesos, hindi talaga ako nag-sell half dito kay SECB because I am anticipating for the market to really reverse. And if you also want to know how I traded my SECB, just check my Ali trade and malalaman niyo yung strategy na ginamit ko on how to play the bounce. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.